Hey there, welcome to FlowMotion. Hope you're having a great, very wonderful day. Time to de-stress a little bit and just wind down or get yourself started for the day. Remember, if you want to work harder, just make your moves bigger. And if you want to work less hard, make your moves a little smaller. Inhale up, exhale out. Push it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Reach, 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 and reach. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And push. 1, leg lift with that. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Ooh, I feel that. Up, up. Okay, to the side. Push, push. Good. Now up, down, up, down, up. To the side. Go, and go, and go. And up, down. Beautiful. Let's do it one more set. Go, and go, and go. And up. 4, 3, 2, and side to side. Down, and down. Very nice. Good job. Down, and down. Let's give it a stretch. Down, and hold, hold. Not yet. In 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Now hold. Sit back into it. Knee right over that ankle. Give it a nice little stretch. Beautiful. Turn and press. Press forward through your hips. You always want to warm up before you stretch. So that's a really nice warm up to get you going. So you're stretching here, or you can tuck that leg under and stretch here. So either way, sit back, stretch hamstring and calf, pull up on those toes, your back is nice and flat. Sit back into it, feel your hamstring and your calf stretching. Good. Low back up and down, up and flat, and up, flat, up, flat, all the way up, 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 and side, side. Just keeping that heart rate up a little bit. Good. Lift, and lift, and lift, and side, push, and push, and push, and push. Come down. Good. Nice job out there. Hold it. Knee right over that ankle. Sit back. I'm sweaty. How you doing? Good? You're like a mom. Turn and press. Again, either here, or you can just bring it in a little bit, tuck under, like dragging your toe behind you. Stretching your hip flexor is what we're going for. Good. Back leg in, toes up, stretch your hamstring and your calf. Toes up, toes up. Good. Beautiful. Very nice. Hope you're having a great day. Mine's better because you were in it. Work out with me every day. Up and leave me a comment. And what do they say? Smash that like button. Here we go. And up, 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 up. And inhale, exhale. Nice work. You should be warm. I'm warm. I feel worked out too. But feel free to go to another video or two. Get yourself going. And have a great, 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 great day. Maybe this was your cool down. It's a great cool down. It's a great warm up. It's a great workout. So you, nice job. You are beautiful. You are perfect just the way you are, but you still got to keep working out. Nice job.